Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So in the first step, go to search bar and type in device manager, then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand keyboards and simply right click here, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update drivers. First of all, we will use the first option. So once done, close this one. Again we will click on update drivers. Now select the second one and click here, then select this, click on next, and the drivers will be updated. So close this window. Again we need to restart this system to complete the process, and once done, simply go to search bar and type in on screen keyboard, click here to open it. And from here I will show you how to enable the F1 to F11 12 keys. We need to press function key plus escape key together to open all the function keys. And if you want to disable it, then simply press function key and escape key together to disable them. So that's it guys, your problem is solved. Like the video and subscribe the channel.